southeastern New Mexico until 8:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 7:23 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Conchas Dam, or 27 miles southwest of Mosquero, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Conchas Dam, Conchas Lake State Park, and Bell Ranch. This includes State Road 104 between mile markers 63 and 88. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following county: San Miguel, New Mexico. What? Flash flooding caused by excessive